Okay, guys, we are going live and we are in a quick Bitcoin trade right now. Let me see. So we are booking in one profits and hopefully we are going long in another trade right now. This trade we are in right now, it's in 30% profit and confirmation required to close all positions. No confirmation to cancel. Place quick order. Taken trade and for all those who were with us, they can see we are doing right now long for BTC and then we will be shorting it up hopefully. So stay with us, guys, because I'm managing orders in the other platform too, and hopefully I have taken a futures trade as well. So right now we are in BTC long. We are in BTC long and just want to make sure we are catching up. God is kind. We are in 53%, Alhamdulillah. So this candle is going to take it off and hopefully just let me spot check. Is the live stream clear? Okay, looks like it is clear. So good. So the idea is we are right now doing long and then we'll try to do a quick short scalp and 91260 is the every exchange has its different limits, so that's why it's important to do your own okay. We are in January 2nd, 12:23 p.m. Central Time, and we're closing down this trade, looks like, in profit, and hopefully I'm still in the trade. I have not closed it. Okay. We are still in the trade, and I'm getting into the trade again. Because I feel this has to come to this level and then drop. I may be wrong again, but we are taking another second trade and It can take me off, but I assume that right now the geometry is such that it should go to this point. So let's see. Our stop losses are below these points, and our profit targets are kind of in a situation. Let me see how big is the order block. It's actually retracing down, but this could be a I've opened up the another position actually. So it's a high risk when you do things like that, but I've done some calculations, and again that might go bad, that might go wrong, but still I feel it's long right now till this point. So let's see. Again, do your stop loss calculation. We can still go wrong. It can knock us out, like looks like, but again, don't blow up the account. Okay, right now we are in negative because we took the trade in a very negative. It's a spread cost, so we are 22% down, but we are hoping that it is it will take back up here, but it can knock us out. So this the structure is not broken yet. So looks like this time it should broke the structure, hopefully, because it's continuing the overall momentum is bearish. Overall momentum is bearish, but we are actually entering the retracement. And when we enter the retracement, it is sometimes risky, but that's what you. Okay, guys, so I'm in a 0.25 lot and I'm in a let me change the color of this to light yellow so we can watch it. And we don't know what's going on right now, but we assume this should. This is the difficult test. See, inshallah, we assume that the a calculation, a geometry is everything we do, and then we enter, and then sometimes we get into a position where we feel, oh, are we wrong? So you still have to bear with patience. Patience is the key. That's why you don't have control when you are in the trade. You only have control when you take the trade. So right now, Alhamdulillah, see, as we expected, Alhamdulillah, it's going in that direction now. Although we got very near to the stop loss point, and still it could stop us out. There is no guarantees, warranties, but you just whenever you just enter. That's why I see trading we say is 50% technical analysis or 50% emotional game. And at the end, the one with patience wins. Because right now, a situation that we can see here is it's a head and shoulder break. It's a double top. It can break us up to this point, and I assume this can take us out from this point, do another big wick, and then go up. It's because institutions know the stop losses would be here. So we are kind of doing a precaution. I mean, it might go directly up, but precaution is better than cure. Looks like it is making up a big structure. It has to come here, but the thing is how it comes here after this point or eating the stop losses. So that's something. Okay, I think we should get out of the trade because there is a big order tape sitting for sell orders, and I think it will take us off. Our progress is not correct right now because we should have entered sell here, but let it stay. Let it stay. Hopefully, what we were thinking initially, it was a stop loss hunting, but we will not increase our stop loss below this point. If it goes back up, that's okay. If it doesn't, see, that's the discipline. Sometimes not every trade is profitable, right? But if you are in a situation of losing, then you don't keep on taking stop losses here because this is how you blow the account, right? So still we are in loss, but we are not closing with an expectation of we will cover back up. Or if not, then we are not going after this point because see, this was a stop loss hunt. Clearly, this was a stop loss hunt. And when it goes increase, then we will. Okay. I got stopped out as one of the brokers because meanwhile talking to you guys, I was not able to. But I'm increasing my position. Okay, because this would offset my other average out if it goes in the direction. Otherwise, this is like increasing your loss. Okay, looks like it's in a strong fall or it's a liquidity grab. See, this is the difference between live trader and a guy who gives signals. Because people who give signals, they don't show you the negative side of the game, right? They only post you the positive trades. While in live trade, you don't have control. So you show whatever is there. And see, this took us out, so we are there. We lost it, and I lost another two, three platforms as well. And let me see, but that's okay. Happens. Name of the game. One thing which I ignored was the order tape. So, anyways, happens. This is a loss, but first was a crude oil win today. Second is a loss today. But let's see. Let's find another setup.